welcome back, Devil Dogs, to Devil Dogs channel, and I'm happy that you guys are here. And for the brand new people, hey, welcome back, recruits. Well, I just got something special for you guys, something that you guys has been requesting, and that will be the unboxing and the review for the Libratone Track Air Plus. So we're gonna be doing the unboxing. I know it's not a brand new earbuds, but I do have the box. I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box, and we're gonna go over the specs. All right, so let's do it. All right, guys, welcome back. So here goes the box for the Libratone True Wireless Smart Noise Canceling earphones. So this basically when you buy it online or you pick it up somewhere, this basically how it looks. So Libratone makes really good quality earphones. I'm really happy with this box. So we're gonna go ahead and go over some of the features and some of the specs, and then we're gonna go ahead and open it and take a look how they look, and I'll talk about a little bit more about the specs and then how they sound. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and read what's actually here on the back. So this box right here, these earphones cost me about $179, and sometimes you could find coupons on Amazon and actually buy them for a little bit cheaper than $179. But these earphones actually offer a lot of stuff close to the Apple Airpods Pro. So, and kind of almost has the same kind of design or how they look, but I really do enjoy and like the design of these earbuds. So let's go ahead and go over the product features on this item, and what you get on basically on this box, on this earphone, sorry about that, is you're gonna get a true wireless. So as it says here, high performance chipset, antenna design, so you can have the best experience according to this. It has two drivers, by the way, two chip drivers. Also, it comes with noise canceling. So like it says over here, it says automatically adapts to your noise and surrounding levels, and that's actually true. And also has a smart feature. That's why if you read it here, I found the box says True Wireless Smart Noise Canceling. So it has a smart feature that you could actually, if you go to the app, you could actually turn on the smart feature, and turns off and on, and the levels of noise canceling for you according to your surroundings. So that's actually pretty good. I really love that feature. The sound quality is premium, like the box is really quality sound. For me, for this earphones, I told you guys before on the last video that the sound quality of this is really crisp, really detailed, really high performance. The trebles are really nice and high, but not too high. Or the sound stage is actually open, but you feel that you're actually in a nice concert, like a medium-sized concert, that you actually there. You could hear every detail of the sounds, of the voice, and especially one of the things that I really like about this is the bass. It doesn't have a really punchy bass, but has a nice, clear, loud but not lingering bass, and I really enjoy that. I'm a bass guy. I love bass, and this is basically enough for me. Also on the app you'll find things about 3 features, and one of the features is normal, and then the almost extra bass, and I think it's extra treble. So the way I got it set up in the app is actually extra bass. For the battery, guys, the battery says here that it will last 6 hours battery life, and up to 24 hours with a charging case. So when I try them on, and I usually listen to my music, I get about 5 hours, maybe 4 hours and 40 minutes. The way I use them, and the way I use them basically is noise canceling all the way high, and about 60% of volume, and that's the way I like. I like how the bass sounds at that level, and it lasts me about 4 hours and 40 minutes. That's how long it takes. Then you could charge them, and the quick charge right away. Sweat proof, just like the Apple ones, so IPX4. So basically suitable for all kind of weathers, and sweat and splash proof. So you actually save on that, but do not take them to the pool. The ones that you want to take to the pool is the Jabras. You also get wireless charging, so that's actually pretty good. You could use any charger. It's actually compatible to any wireless chargers in the market. You could actually use your phone. I use my Note 10 phone for this, and I haven't had any issues with this wireless charging. Let me look at my notes over here. One of the other things that has that's not showing here on the wireless charging is the wear detect. So you could use these earphones, and you could use one or the other one. So the cool thing is, like, you just want to use the right one, you could use the right one. You want to use the left one, you could use the left one. They don't need to be together, and you could use them separate. So that's the cool thing about these earphones. So the other thing that I have, so you could also have you could have custom touch control. So on this earphones, you could actually come and tap, and you could actually adjust it according to the way that you wanna program your buttons, or not buttons, but your touch buttons. So dual mic, so I have two mics, guys. Two mics. Well, so I think one uses for your voice, and the other one I think is using for like noise cancellation stuff. You see that the black dot right there, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. That's actually where the ear detection is. And then the one right here on top of the R, it's actually where it charges, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Let me look over quality earphones, and I really enjoy them. Already had them for about I believe 2 to 3 months now. More like in 3 months, and I really enjoy them all the time. I switch them with my Jabras all the time. So because I also like the Jabras, but when I really want to listen to really high quality music and detailed music with bass, and the bass that I like, these are the ones that I really enjoy. So let's go ahead and open the box for you guys. So when you actually get the box, this how it comes with the sleeve. Let's go ahead and put it over here. You have a nice little design for the box, that comes with. Has this little tweeter bird, like a canary tweeter bird, something like that. It's not a chicken. I thought it was a chicken at first. So when you open it, it's really nice. It's actually held by some kind of magnets, so you can actually open it, and that's how it looks. Welcome. They greet you with a nice little sign, world of the true wireless. So that's pretty cool how they actually spend a little bit of time, like doing this for you guys. You lift this up. It's like a little manual. Let's put that over here. Let's lift that. You actually, once you lift it up, you'll see the charging case and your two earbuds. All right, and let's put this to a side. So when it comes with the cable, the USB-C cable, and some instructions. That's the only thing that comes in under the box over there. So you have the charging case and the two earbuds. So once you get them, you kind of want to push them out. They kind of come out like this. You got your earphones, and they really look nice. I love the design. I love the way they made these earphones. As you guys could see, really beautiful design. I think it's better than the Apple ones. So once you get them, you kind of open them. You get greeted by the LED. Then you could put them in there. And then you do the pairing process. With the button. Once you get your phone and you pair them, and you get the app, you pair them together and it connects. So the pairing sometimes could be difficult, but once you get it going, it's pretty easy and no problems. So that's how it comes. The charging case comes with a USB-C, like I told you earlier. Charging case, it's a charging case, compatible with everything else. And the design right here, this is the design, really nice. It has the little logo right there, the charging ports, the ear detection, mic, and the other mic. And I believe this is for that noise cancellation. But like I said, guys, this is a really good quality sound. I know you guys are probably tired of me saying it, but the sound quality is detailed. You could hear every detail, every voice, every sound that every instrument makes. These earphones actually do it with a nice, not punchy or rumbling bass, but nice bass that will make you move, swing your head. So really nice. Headphones, guys. I do recommend it. I got them on Amazon for about $179. They come with different colors, but you'll not regret it. It comes with different ear tips. Let me see if I could take them out of the box right here. No, not this one. So there's the box on the bottom. You just kind of open it. And there goes your tips. So like I said, guys, this is not a brand new unboxing. I already opened it. I've been using it for about 3 months. It comes with instructions right over here. And charging cables. That's about it. Manuals. Put them to the side. Charging cable. You guys know how they look. Comes with different ear tips, and you got the big ones, the large ones. When actually they come out of the box, they come with the really small ones. So I ended up getting the medium size for my ear, and this is what actually worked for me. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you how it looks in the ear, and I'm gonna see if I can do the mic test for you guys. I got a new app for that. Hopefully that will work, and to see just how the mic quality when you're talking on the phone sounds like. Alright guys, let's do it. And we're back. Alright guys, hopefully you guys really enjoyed that unboxing and review for the earphones. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is go ahead and put them on and see how they fit, how they look. One of the things that I kind of wanted to touch with you guys is basically the design of this charging case. The design of this charging case I really enjoy, and the reason why is because you can actually fit it in your coin pocket, and I love that. It's out of the way, so it doesn't look I'm bulging in my pants. So just having it in the coin pocket is perfect for me. One of the things I didn't touch, I didn't tell you guys about it, was basically the Bluetooth. What kind of Bluetooth connection do you have? The Bluetooth connection that you have is a 5.0 Bluetooth. Also has 2 drivers, and the Bluetooth codecs is SBC, AAC, and aptX. All right. For the noise cancellation, also has 30 dB of noise reduction. So that's pretty good. I really like that. All right. So let's go ahead and do the mic check and see how it sounds. So look at this, guys. I love how the design looks, how it feels, how flush it is, and how secure. Well, but the biggest things about this is like how secure they are. So whenever I'm actually at the gym lifting weights, or I'm actually doing burpees, they stay secure. They don't move. They stay there, and they don't bother me at all. So that's actually I love the design. I can ask for more. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and do the mic test. You guys let me know how it sounds. Hopefully you guys will like it, and let's go ahead with the test.
All right, guys. So mic check, 1, 2, 3. There might be a small voice delay on the video due to the whole Bluetooth and the app working together. So this how it will sound when you're talking on the phone, or minus the delay. So this how they sound. Let me know. All right, let's go ahead and put some kind of background noise, and let's see how they sound, how they pick up my voice. You guys will be the judge. All right, so this is how it sounds uh, with my computer having a background noise. My computer speakers are actually at 100%, and we're pretending we're actually at the mall, I guess drinking coffee or tea. So this how it will sound a busy day in the mall. Let's see how it sounds when I'm drinking coffee. Hopefully it's doing a good job picking up my voice, especially for it being so far up. I really love this design, guys. All right, hopefully you guys liked it. Let's go ahead and turn it off.
All right, guys. So we're back to normal. So I'm using the mic from the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the background noise. All right, guys. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this little review that I put together for you guys. Hopefully everything sounded good to you guys. I'm telling you, these are really good quality headphones, and for the price, you can't beat it. $179, you cannot beat this price. It has everything that you need, everything that you want, and the bass that you're gonna really enjoy. So, alright guys, so if you haven't done so, Devil Dogs, go ahead and subscribe somewhere here. Like my video, and I'll see you next time. Later.